Now everyone, this one BFT motor I come to check is not working. I'm looking what is the issue in this. This one BFT 800 kg. This is the gate. I'm telling you. This is here push button. I'm going to press the push button. See, no any movement. The motor is not working. Okay. So I'm doing one thing now. See this error coming here. Some error is coming here. I'm trying to find out the solution. What is the issue? Okay. Now I will make one jumper from here to the from 70 to 72 to check the if there is a censorship issue, but even the photo light is coming, but I need to confirm. So if it's not there, then we have to replace this board. So it's maybe in the board, but I'm going to confirm from here. So let I will fix the jumper and I'll come back to you. So I fixed the jumper. Now here you can see this is the wire. I connected the jumper already from 70 to 72. Be sure before you doing this all things on the board anything, remove the power. So I removed this power connector before to do this all things. Now I'm going to connect it again. So this power is connected. Be careful because here is the live wire, and you must be hold from here. Don't touch there, close of that, because there is a power. So now I'm going to test it again if it work or not. If it's not work, then it's the problem in the control board, the main board inside. So this is the push button. I'm pushing again, so there is nothing. So it's mean the problem is not from the sensor. I bypass already the photocell, but it's still there, the error is coming. So it's something wrong in the control board, so we should replace it. Okay, so in the next video I will show you when I'll fix the new control board and I will operate it, and I will show you the issue will be solved. Thanks very much.